Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.